Equation of a line passing through 2 points. The first point has x equals 2, and y equals 28. The second point has x equals 25, and y equals 0.
First, place the 2 points on the coordinate grid.
The run is the horizontal change, from x equals 2 to x equals 25, the run is 23. The rise is the vertical change, from y equals 28 to y equals 0, the rise is negative 28.
Slope is rise divided by run, negative 28 over 23, which simplifies to negative 28 over 23. Now draw the line through both points.
Start with point slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Then fill in the boxed values. Slope is negative 28 over 23, x1 is 2, and y1 is 28.
That gives the specific point negative slope equation for this line.
Finally, solve for y to get slope negative intercept form.
The graph and the equation describe the same line.